everyone, hi, this is me Abhidhi and a very good afternoon and welcome to another Sunday, another video of Science with Abhidhi. So, how are you all doing? All things are good and things are going better than previous days? Do let me know. So, I think you know that previous day was Christmas. So let me ask you, how was your Christmas? I hope your Christmas went very jolly and you had very fun with your relatives, your family, and your friends, and you spent Christmas with a great joy. Now, for all those who don't know me, I'm Abhidhi and I'm a 10th. I study in 10th grade and I'm a science enthusiast and my hobbies are doodling and researching. My aim is to become a cardiac surgeon and never ever hesitate to put down all your queries related to any video or anything else than any video as well in the comment section because I'm going to take it in the comment sections only. And otherwise you can even mail me and I will be broadcasting the mail in the chat section only. So do check that chat section out. Now let's start our video with a quote. Now that your eyes are open, make the sun jealous with your burning passion to start the day. Make the sun jealous or stay in bed. Everyone has a burning passion, has a passion that's always creating an curiosity among you. So just make that burning sun jealous of your passion that's coming out. Make the passion come out. Don't let it be inside because it's necessary. It should be come out. So what's today's topic? It's the Big Bang Theory. Now, what does the Big Bang Theory says about is where does our universe begins? So we know that universe is a very vast, we can't even imagine how vast it is, but still, physics predicts where does universe begins. That's what is termed as the Big Bang Theory. What is the Big Bang? The Big Bang is how astronomers explain that the way universe began, as I already said. Now, according to the Big Bang theory, it is said that universe began as a very single point and then it expanded, it stretched out and grew so large as it is right now. And one amazing fact is it is still growing, it is still stretching again to become more big and more large and more vast. What is the Big Bang all about? So in 1927, an astronomer named Georges Lemaitre had a big idea. He said that universe started as a very single point, just like a dot, and then it stretched and expanded and got so big, so vast as it is now. And it could be keep on stretching and there is no limitations to it. Then after 2 years, after 1929, another astronomer named Edwin Hubble noticed that the other galaxies are moving away from the Milky Way galaxy or from us. And that's not all that he said. Hubble also said that the farthest galaxies are moving faster than the ones close to us. So, that means that when our universe is getting larger and larger, the other galaxies will always be getting more further and farther away from us. So the farthest galaxies will also move faster. This meant that the universe was still expanding, and just like Lemaitre thought. So Edward Hubble, after 2 years in 1929, actually proved Georges Lemaitre's theory in a way. And if things were moving apart, it means that long ago everything had been close together. So that means our universe has began from a very single point, and then it grew on to such a vast universe. Now, when the universe actually began, those tiny particles were mixed with light and energy, and it resulted in being hot. So, those single point of galaxies, so those were very hot. But as they expanded and expanded, they took up more space, they took up more area, and that resulted in cooling effect. So the galaxies cooled down. Now, I'm just sorry. Then the tiny particles grouped together, they formed atoms. Then those atoms grouped together over lots of time. Atoms came together to form stars and galaxies. Now, single point where the universe. Now, in that single point, there will be some atoms. Those atoms, some number of atoms came together and they formed a star. Another number of atoms came together and they formed the galaxies. Now the first stars created bigger atoms and groups of atoms that led to more stars being born. At the same time, galaxies were crashing and grouping together. As new stars were being born and dying, then things like asteroids, comets, planets, and black holes formed. It's a very interesting point. As I said that the first stars created bigger atoms and groups of atoms. Now the galaxies were like crashing with each other, where in the universe they were fighting with each other. Like in that way only there are the galaxies and stars formed. But as the new stars were continuously formed and continuously found dying, things like asteroids, comets, planets, and black holes were also formed in the meantime. So, this is how the universe was formed in total. Now, how did it all take, like on an approximate value? How did it take? How long it is to form a universe? We know that universe is um, 13.8 billion years old. So, if universe is 13.8 billion years old, then it must have been born from a single point. That means it's a very long time till now. And the universe is still stretching. That means it is too very long time. And from that single point, it has grown to such a vast universe. And that's really surprising. What's in the name? That's pretty much how the universe began, and because it got so big and led such great things. So, great things explains about the asteroids, comets, planets, and all those new formed galaxies, exoplanets, endoplanets, and black holes, and etc. etc. So for that reason, people call it Big Bang because the universe became so big and it gave us so many great things. So it is called as Big Bang. But some scientists have also suggested it to be named as Everywhere Stretch. But that didn't sound like a very cool kind of a title, a very cool kind of name to the theory. So, Big Bang is the name of this theory suggested by Georges Lemaitre in 1927 and which is proved by Edwin Hubble in 1929. So, Happy New Year in advance. That is, this is the last Sunday video, and the next Sunday we meet, it might be our very first video of 2022, and so for that reason, Happy New Year, and I wish all of you, all of my viewers, and other everyone in the world a very happy New Year. Just enjoy your next year, forget all your sorrows, and just start this year with a new and enthusiastic joy. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment your queries because I'm waiting to solve it up. And of course, share it among your friends, like the video, subscribe to the channel for more amazing and upcoming new updates, new videos, and etc. So, thank you very much. We'll meet again in the next year, not in the next Sunday this time, it's the next year. So, till then, peace on earth is what I ask you all for. Thank you so very much. Peace.